Okay, so three, as you may know, we are Internal Bliss Alloy Casting and Forging Company Limited. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so normally we call ourselves as EB China. Okay, so three, do you know where we are located?
We are located in Wuxi, Jiangsu province, about 150 kilometers far from Shanghai. So most of our high alloy castings, and
Okay. So where are we located?
forgings are shipped from Shanghai port by sea or from Shanghai Pudong International Airport by air.
Yes, because we are very near by Shanghai, so most of our castings and forgings are shipped from Shanghai port. Yes.
Yes.
Or delivered by air from Shanghai Pudong International Airport. Okay. So sorry, do you know what's the registered capital of our company, EB China?
Registered capital of EB China is 13.49 million Chinese yuan.
Okay, good. So we have been the supplier of Alibaba International for many years. Actually, so do you know how long have been the good supplier of Alibaba?
More than 6 years.
Yes, good. Yes, 6 years. And actually, now what's our total turnover on Alibaba International?
More than 3 billion US dollars.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So far, most of our, our exports and the transactions, are done through Alibaba. Yes. Okay. So every year, TUV was appointed by Alibaba to come to our company and our foundry to do the on-site assessment. So now we will take this opportunity to introduce our important certificates for all of our friends here. Okay. Okay. So firstly, let's introduce our this one. Okay. So my dear friends, now this certificate, this certificate is about three.
Quality management system companies with GBET
19,001. Yes. Okay.
2016.
Yes.
ISO 9001.
Yes.
2015.
Requirements. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Also, this certificate is valid for the following scope.
Supply of alloy castings and forgings.
Yes. From this certificate, you can find our certificate number. Yes. Certificate date.
Certificate
Valid date. Yes.
Date.
Yes.
Date of
Initial
certification.
Yes. Also, you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization. Yes. Also, you can see IAF and the CNAS, issued this certificate to us. Okay. Okay. This is our first certificate. This one. Okay, so what's this certificate about?
Environment management system companies with GBT to
24,001.
2016 ISO 24001 2015
Requirements. Okay, this certificate is valid for the following scope.
Supply of alloy castings and forgings and
Size, yes.
size.
Also, you can see our certificate number and
Certificate date, certificate valid date, and date of India certification.
also you can find our
Unified Social Credit Code of certified organizations.
yes. Also, these two organizations issued this certificate to us, IAF and CNAS. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's come to the third. Yeah, the third certificate. This one. Okay, so what's this certificate about?
Occupational health and safety management system companies with GPT 45 and 45,001 2020 ISO 45,001 2018 requirements.
Okay, this certificate also is valid for the following scope.
Supply of alloy castings and forgings and sites.
Yes. Also, you can find our
Certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of India certification.
Also, you can find our
Unified Social Credit of Code of certified organization.
yes. Okay, so this certificate was issued by CNAS. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear friends, if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings, especially the wear, heat, and corrosion resistant castings and forgings, please follow our shop here on Alibaba. Also, send us your inquiry online or send us your inquiry to us by email or via WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. You are always welcome. Okay, so now we have been the good supplier on Alibaba for more than 6 years. So now let's show you our certificate. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, sorry, can you read this for us?
Verified supplier certificate.
Yes, this is a verified supplier certificate issued by TUV. Okay, so you can find our full company name. It's a
Wuxi
Eternal
Bliss
yeah,
Alloy Casting and Forgings.
Company Limited. Yes. Okay, so this is our website on Alibaba. Also, you can, TUV come to us to do the on-site assessment for the following areas. The first one is a
Company
overview. Good. Okay. Second, current export situation. Yes. Okay. This one is a
assurance.
yes, quality assurance. Yes. Okay. The fourth one,
Certification and photos.
yes. Also,
Human resources.
yeah, human resources and
Export business capacity.
capacity. Yes. Okay.
company development and or expansion plans.
Yes.
Company and product samples.
Yes. Also, you can find this certificate is valid from September 16th, 2020. Yes. To September 15th, 2021. Yes. Okay. Good. So TUV will comes to us every year to do the on-site assessment. If all the information is qualified, then they will issue this certificate to us. Okay. Every year, not just TUV, SGS, the third party agency also comes to us to make the on-site assessment. So, Siri, could you please read this one?
Adopted supplier.
Yes. Okay. So, SGS came to us to make the on-site assessment. If we are qualified, SGS will issue an audited supply to us. So far we have been the audited supplier made in China for more than 2 years. Okay. Thank you. Okay, my dear friend, EB China not only just focus on the manufacturing, marketing, the high alloy castings and forgings to the worldwide. Also, we focus on the research and development of new materials. Yes, such as ceramic materials and wear, heat, and curing resistant materials in the wide application. So now we also would like to take this opportunity to introduce our patents. Yes. So, Siri, do you know how many patents now we have? Patents. Yes, 22 patents. Okay, so so you can introduce this for our friends here. I'll take the pen. Oh, thank you. Okay. So, Fury. So so far we are the member of
E-commerce
chamber. Yes. So far, EB China also the member of Wuxi e-commerce chamber. Also, we also have been warmly participated, yes, in the social activities to take our social responsibilities. Okay. So now we'd like to make a brief introduction about our, so far, how many trademarks we have. We can account for our friend here. 1, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so totally we have 5 trademarks in China. The first one is
EB
Wild. Yes, because we also have many different welding consumable materials. Okay, the second one is EB boat. Yes. Okay. So the third one is 千百铸段 in Chinese. Okay, the fourth one is EB casting. This is the first trademark. The last trademark is 千百科技 in Chinese. Okay, thank you. So this is our trademarks. Okay. So just now we mentioned that we have 22 patents. 22 patents. So, Suri, can you account how many computers? This is our computer software. Totally, how many can I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, totally, EB China has 5 computer software registration copyright certificates. Yeah, we have 5. Okay. Okay. So. So you can account this. This is a patents. How many? 3 and like this. Eight. Okay. Sorry. 13. Totally 13. Yes. Okay. So far, this is our patents. Yeah, for our different wear, heat, and resistant products. Okay. So yeah, many different patents. Yes, many different. Theory just accounted for us. So this one is the invention patent. This invention patent is about high and middle carbon alloy steel, double media quenching heat treatment process. Okay. So. Okay. Thank you. So totally, EB China has 22 patents. Okay. Okay, so my dear friends, if you are interested in our, high alloy castings and forgings, especially the mill liners, grinding boards, and copper, aluminum parts, cobalt, and nickel alloy parts, please let us know. Yes. Also, firstly, follow us on our Alibaba shop, then send us your inquiries to us via email or WhatsApp. You are always welcome. Okay. So that's all for our company introduction today. Yes. Yes. Okay. So let's welcome the next live show by our colleague. Okay. Next one. Okay. Okay. So next live show will be ready. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's welcome our colleague for the next wonderful live show. Okay. Okay, it's Liz. Okay, it's a new presentation. Okay. Okay, welcome, Liz. Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Liz from EV China. The next part will let me show you. I will choose the mini closure. Part 1 is the conception of the closure. And the second one is the application field of the closure. Third part is the classification of the closure. The last part is the some parameters of the closure. So let me see the part 1. Mini crusher. Mini crushers are also called the rock crushers, which refers to crushing machinery discharge has a particle size greater than 3 millimeters and contents for more than 50% of the total discharge value. According to the size of filling and discharging randomly, crushes are often divided into coarse crushers, medium crushers, and fine crushers. So let me see the second part. In metallurgy, meaning chemical, cement, and other industrial sectors, a large amount of the raw finishes are ratios, which need to be processed by crusher every year. For example, in beneficiation plant, in order to extract the useful minerals in the oil into monomers, it is necessary to use crusher to cut the raw oil to the particle size required by the grinding process. It is necessary to use crushing machinery to cut the raw materials to the particle size required by the next operation. In departments such as cooking plants, sintering plants, ceramic plants, glass industry, powder metallurgy, example. Crushing machinery must be used to crush the raw material to the particle size required by the next operation. So, in the chemical and the electric powder sectors, crushing and grinding machinery crushes and grind raw materials, increasing the surface area of the material and creating favorable conditions for shortening the time of chemical reaction of the material. With the rapid development of the industry and the rapid reduction of the resources, the reuse of the waste material in the production of various products is very important. The processing of this waste material needs to be crushed by the crushing machinery. So next one, application field. Some application of the crusher. It has line, road construction, and drainage, loose down, and function vested iron ore. Some application of the crushers. You can see this picture. Okay, third part, classification. According to the way the crushing force acts, the crusher can be roughly divided into two categories: crusher and the grinding machine. We mainly introduce the crusher. Generally handle large pieces of material and project size into the carousel. According to the crushing method and the structural characteristic of the machine, roughly divided into 6 categories: gel crushers, impact crushers, vertical impact crusher, cone crusher, hammer crusher, and roller crusher. This page is tell us the gel crushers. The crushing can chamber is composed of two gel plates. You can see this picture. GIF. A movable gel and the static gel, which is simulates and the movement of the animals gels to complete the material crushing operation. Let me see the pictures, pressure pictures. The first one, gel crusher is for foreign equipment for primary crushing. It has the characteristic of large crusher ratio, uniform product size, simple structure, reliable work, simple maintenance, and economical operating costs. The first one is low noise and less dust. The second is the crushing ratio is large and the product size is uniform. The third one is the third picture is the structure is simple, the work is reliable, and the operating cost is low. The fourth picture is the lubrication system is safe and reliable. The replacement of the part is convenient, and the equipment maintenance is simple. The fifth section is the crushing cavity is deep and there is no dead room, which improves the feeding capacity and output. The sixth picture is equipment in energy saving. Simple machine energy saving is from 15% to 30%. System energy saving is more than double. The seventh picture is the adjustment range of the discharge opening is large, which can meet the requirements of different users. Also, this page is a corner crusher. Corner crusher, a crushing machine suitable for raw materials in metallurgy, construction, road construction, chemistry, and selected industries. According to different crushing principles and different product particle size, it is divided into many models that widely used in mining, smelting, building materials, highways, roadways, water conservancy, and the chemical industry, and many other sectors. The cone crusher has large crushing material, high efficiency, low energy consumption, uniform product size, suitable for medium and fine crushing of the various ores and rockers. This is two pictures. Picture of this one is first picture, higher production capacity and better quality. The two is due to the safety devices. The downtime is greatly reduced. The machine body is a cast steel structure with reinforcement rails set at the heavy duty part. The first one is with one of the adjusters, you can quickly adjust the size of the crushed and discharged material. The fifth is provide spring protection device. The sixth one is with complete lubrication system. It will automatically shut down when the temperature is too high or the flow rate is too slow. The seventh picture is it has the internal structure has good selling performance, which can treatment for dust and other small particles. The last one is long survival life and strong applicability. This two page is termed as the impact crusher. The impact crusher is mainly used for the chemical industry, building material, hiding powders, and other material that often require relocation operations, especially for the mobile store operations such as highways, railways, and high powder projects. It can be based on the type, scope, and size of the raw material to be consistent. The different requirements of the finished material adopt a variety of configuration forms. You can see this GIF. A picture of this crusher is the impact crusher is more effective in processing material with a large amount of the mixture and effectively prevent material from collecting. Two is the important crusher. Impact crusher is applicable to the wider range of the material handlers. It is convenient and flexible to adjust the discharging particle size, and the adjustment range is wide. The wearing parts are small and the mental utilization rate is high. The replacement of the spare part is simple, and the maintenance cost is correspondingly reduced. This one is the hammer crusher. Hammer crusher is a kind of equipment for crushing material in the form of impact. It is divided into two types, single rotor and double rotor. It is a multi-stage crusher and that directly crushes material with a maximum particle size of 600 to 1,800 millimeter to 25 or below 25 millimeter. The hammer crusher is suitable for crushing little harder materials such as limestone, clay, polio, and other material in cement, chemical, electric powder, metallurgy, and other industrial sectors. Its feature is about the large crusher rate of high production capacity. The product is uniform and there is a little overpowerment. Low energy consumption per unit. Product simple structure. The equipment is light in weight and easy to operate and maintain. Reliable mechanical structure, high production efficiency, and good applicability. This one is the roll crushers. The roll crushers use one part or two parts of the absolutely readily round roller on two crush material. The material filters between the two rollers through the upper feeding hole of the equipment and is poured into the gap between the two rollers by friction and is gradually crushed. And the finished material leaked from the lower part. When encountering material, they are too hard to break. The roller automatically retracted to increase the gap between the roller and the overhard material fall with the action of hydraulic cylinders and spring of springs. The roller returned to the original gap, thereby protecting and machine and adjust the gap between the two rulers. You can control the maximum particle size of the product. Picture of it is about our commonly used roller caption have the following advantages: simple structures, convenient maintenance, and low functioning costs. It is manageable for the cores and intermediate questioning of the brittle material in meaning, metallurgy, chemical, coal, and other industries. Its feed size is large, and the output size is adjustable, especially in the coal industry. And the use of this machine is to